Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and in this video I'll detail how to make your screen stay longer in iPhone. So if your iPhone screen switch off after a couple of seconds and you want the iPhone screen to stay longer than expected, maybe you want it to stay for like 5 minutes before it goes off, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Mark you, the longer your iPhone screen stays, the faster it consumes your battery. So if you don't want your iPhone screen to often consume your battery really fast, then you want to make sure you choose a shorter period so that the iPhone screen will not stay longer and consume battery. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And now to make your screen stay on longer in iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Just scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now once you selected display and brightness, you want to scroll down this page until you get to auto lock. Here, click on that. Then if your auto lock is set 30 seconds, your iPhone screen will be locked automatically after 30 seconds if you are not using it. However, to make the iPhone screen stay on longer, all you just need to do is choose between 1 minute and 5 minutes. So if you select 5 minutes, your iPhone screen is going to stay on for at least 5 minutes before it turns off. And if you want it to stay on longer forever until you press the side button to lock the iPhone screen, just come here and select never. Once you selected never, this is going to make your iPhone screen stay longer as you expect it to be, but recommendedly you need to go for at most 5 minutes. Once you selected 5 minutes, just hit the back button and your iPhone screen will stay up to 5 minutes before the screen is going to go off. So that is basically how to make your screen stay on longer in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.